We're now at the Nexera booth at CCIF with Joe and Marco. Hi, guys.
Hi, Sam.
So, Joe, tell me all about Nexera and what it is it accomplishes.
Well, our company is a software company, and what we decided to do is that we decided to be the missing link. In the productivity in an auto body shop, they have the technicians and they have the front end.
Yeah.
What we did is we tried to optimize the productivity of the technician. We want to assure ourselves that the technician stays into his work area so he can be productive. How it works out is that we have the device whereby the technician can do his communications, his quality control, take his pictures, and communicate with the front end. We have here the dashboard where you see all the overall repairs, and you can also see the upcoming repairs. So when they communicate together, you'll be able to have alerts, and the management team can just turn around and answer and talk with the technician. The goal is to save minutes.
Right. So can you give me an example of maybe a process that a technician might have to go get a manager, and so Nexera might circumvent that task?
Repair for parts, sublets, missing some parts that are missing that haven't come in yet. Everything will be done directly by the software.
Right on. Okay. Sounds very interesting. And so what can we expect from Nexera in the year 2020?
A lot of surprises.
Okay. Right on.
Thank you, Sam.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Marco.
Thank you, Sam.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching. This was a Media Matters production. If you liked what you saw, subscribe for more or check out our other videos.